Hello everyone, and this is Peter here, and I welcome you to my Creative Corner. In this video, we will see how we can create this loading bar design using PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint and let us change the layout of our slide first. Next, we will change our background color to black. Create a text box and type "loading" in it. Change the color of our text to white. Change the font to Cascadia Code Extra Light and set the font size to 25 points. Let us adjust the spacing of our text. Choose the loose option to make the text look like this. Go to Shapes and create a straight line. Place the line just below the loading text so that it acts as our guide to properly place our circles. Create a circle shape next. A quick tip: by holding Shift while creating the circle will give you the perfect round shape. After creating it, change the color to white and, in the Properties and Size section, tick this box to fix the aspect ratio. Now change the size of our circle in our Format Shape tab to 0.15 centimeter. Then properly align that circle next to our loading text. Let us now create the animation for it. Go to the Animations tab and choose the line animation. Change the starting and ending point of our animation by dragging this red mark and green mark. Green mark is the starting point, and the red mark is the ending point. We want our circle to end up near loading. Once the line animation is set the animation duration to 0.75 seconds. Go to Animation pane and double-click our animation. Change the smooth end option to 0.4 and other options to 0. Go to Timings tab and choose Repeat till end of the slide. By holding Ctrl plus Shift, duplicate this circle 2 more times and place these circles to the right of our first circle. Let us add some delay to the second and third circle. Let us now position our loading text and the 3 small circles to the bottom of the page. By holding Shift, select the text and the 3 circles first. Then move them to the bottom of the page. You can activate grid lines if you want to. Next, it's time to create our loading bar. Create a rectangle and place it below our loading text. By selecting the rectangle shape, right-click and go to Format Shapes option. And let us choose No Fill and give it a solid line. Then, by holding Ctrl plus Shift, duplicate this rectangle shape and move it to the left. Choose the rectangle in the left and give it a solid white fill and select No Line for this shape. This rectangle will fill our empty rectangle bar and give us that loading effect. Create a line animation for this rectangle and change the direction of the animation to right. Change the timing of the animation to 6 seconds and set a delay of 0.75 seconds. Change the ending point for this animation, just like we did for circle. It has to correctly fit our empty loading bar. Let's click F5 and see how our animations work. Your animations must work something like this, but we clearly don't want to see the circles coming from way up of our page, and we only want to see the white bar filling our loading bar, right? To hide those parts that we don't want to see, we will be creating masks using shapes. Create a rectangle shape and position it exactly where we don't want to see our circles. After positioning it, change the shape color to Slide Background Fill. You can also choose Solid Fill and then choose the color black. The Solid Fill options works only now as we are working with the solid plain background. Do the same for the white rectangle bar. Position our mask next to the edges of our loading bar. Click F5 again and see how our slide looks like now. I hope you understand how we're using the rectangle shape as our mask to hide the unwanted part. It's time for some patchwork. Let's make a simple game intro presentation using this loading bar design. Duplicate the slide 2 times. Go to the first slide and delete every element. In our second slide, delete all the elements and then create a text box and type the word Creative Corner. Change the font to Poppins Extra Bold and the font size to 45 points. Duplicate the text box and change the text to Games and the font to OCR A Extended. Set the font size to 25 points. Then align both the text to the center of the page. Copy both the text boxes and paste it in the third slide. Now create a new blank black page for our fourth slide. Copy-paste the game's text box and change the text to Welcome to Peter's World. Give that text a fade animation and slightly increase its duration. Let us change the advanced slide setting for each slide. You can find advanced slide setting in the far right of our Transitions tab. For the first slide, select After and enter the timing as 1 second. Same way, change the timings to 1 second for second and fourth slide. We will set the timing for third slide to 0.01 seconds. That's it, guys. This is how you can make this beautiful animation using PowerPoint. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.